Shorty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yeah. Box Chevy. They know, they know. Crank right up. Crank right up, boy. You did. Pioneer joint. The big one, not the small one. You did. Yeah, the big one, not the small one. Nah, my lights look. Man, I got good light. What my cousin was talking about. I got tail lights. Well, I put that knob on. But y'all. Got some stuff I can still fix on. Still tightening it up some more. I'll see him anything though. So I'm pulled the box out, y'all. Yeah, man. Pull that thing out. Still got some more stuff I need to do to it. He dripping. I don't know what it is that's dripping. No, I need it down there. But I think it's antifreeze, bro. I'm not understanding. I changed the holes. Let me see. Oh, now that oil. Yeah, that oil. Where that coming from? But yeah, man. I said, yeah, I pulled the box out. Put some gas in it. I ain't gonna lie, that thing put a smile on my face. But that joint even oil bad, bro. I wonder where the hell that's coming from. I don't have to jack it up and see. I'm not understanding it. But I'm gonna take it to a man them anyway so he can get that joint right, bro. I'm gonna drive back down to the house and park it. Yeah. I'm gonna drive back down to the house and park it. And tow it to the shop. But I'm gonna go crazy with this year. With this bill. It is. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This is Sierra too though. It just got a Chevy grill on it, boy. But nah, I'm gonna go crazy on him. Him a little older. I'm going either yellow or blue goods. I said if I go blue goods, I ain't gotta get nothing done because I buy blue interior, I already blue. You feel what I'm saying? I buy everything I already blue. If I go yellow, I'm gonna have to get it wrapped. I'm gonna have to get the wrap. But yeah, with that same gray I put on the Box Chevy, or I said I'm gonna go white. So they said white is the easiest paint job you can do. So I try to paint it myself. I paint it white and put an orange pearl in it, and put the orange like I got a Box Chevy, put it in there too.
So you said you're gonna put an orange pearl in. So what, you gonna sprinkle it in orange?
Nah, it'll be white. But it got an orange hit on it.
That would take it be sprinkled in orange.
Yeah.
Right? So like when the sun hits the sun, you'll see the orange glistening off that motherfucker. And it's in it, but it's white.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm still trying to see how I'm doing. It already had body work done on it. It's just dirty. I need to put it on out, clean it all the way off, and then put it back in the garage. Somebody clean it all the way off. All that junk up there, clean everything out the inside, pull everything up out of there.
Press washer.
Yeah. Pull everything up out of there, bro. You press wash the inside of that motherfucker. Get everything up out of there. I like the reels on there. I ain't gonna lie.
They came for the car though.
I like the reels.
The Ford
and the tires.
I said the Ford trucks used to come with them damn rims.
Well,
some of them Ford trucks used to come with them damn rims. So.
Yeah.
Cause I remember niggas used to always have them red. They used to have they used to have these red two-door trucks with them rims on it.
And I like the tire. I already got the fat white leather tire. And they look straight.
Like they been dirt riding it.
Yeah.
Riding in the dirt, just off-roading it.
That motherfucker been parked in the dirt, though.
Okay.
That's why it's so dirty. I told the nigga to clean it all the way off. Because going in the garage, man didn't clean that shit all the way off, man. They sprayed it, but nah, bro. All the leaves, she's supposed to be gone.
Yeah. And if you pressure wash the shit, that shit gonna come out.
Yeah.
Once you hit that pressure washing gun on that shit come out.
So I would have cleaned the whole truck and re-sanded it. Cause it been sand down already. It got sand spots on it. It just need to be sanded prime again. Since it been sand.
Yeah.
But since I seen how I did that shit, bro, now it be having me looking at the old school like. But them things be done, bro. And then like I told her, when I said, you gonna sell that truck, and I'm pull that truck out on you. And you gonna be like, damn, nephew, you told me not to sell that truck. Come on.
Why? He need to just start back driving the truck.
Yeah.
He don't even want to drive the truck no more. Could just be letting that motherfucker sit. That's why I told him, you got the parts and shit. You said they're supposed to go on this truck for the truck to ride, but you
like y'all see, my cousin talking about my uncle. You know what I'm saying? My uncle, he loves cars and stuff, bro, just like I do. You know what I'm saying? What I don't know, he know. And he know more than me, and he older. He been fooling with cars my whole life. But, bro, the older we get, bro, we be spending a lot of money on these cars, bro. And it's getting to the point now, bro, like, it's just time to go and start just doing a lot of stuff ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, my uncle know how to pull an engine and all that. I've never done it. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just going to go all in, going to try, going to do it, bro. You feel me? Going to do it. Because I know I do one, it's old. You feel me? So I'm going to tackle this job. You feel going and. And I've been looking at a lot of videos on putting cams and engines and a lot of stuff, bro. So y'all just got to stay tuned. My next video, y'all, I'm going to get going on that OBS. You know what I'm saying? Going to get going on that Sierra. Going to clean it on up. Well, I ain't going to just say clean it on up. Pull out that junk. I'm going to pull out that junk out the inside. You know what I'm saying? Clean the outside a little bit because it's not clean like I wanted it to be clean. And after that, I'm going to shoot another video pulling it on out the garage, cleaning it all the way up. You know what I'm saying? Taking them seats out, that carpet. Well, it's not carpet. It's like a plastic floor, but I'm taking all that junk out, bro. Everything got to go. I'm trying to pressure wash the inside of the truck. You feel me? Everything got to go. That thing mildew so bad, bro. All the interior got to be replaced. You feel me? And the dash, I'm just scrub that up, clean that up. I'm trying to see how I'm going to do it, but y'all got to stay tuned in, bro. Another build underway. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finishing up all my other builds. MaddMarksCars, man. All gas, no break.